What's up, everybody? We back with another stash update. Yes, sir, another stash update. I haven't forgotten about the 100 episode video. It's coming, so stay tuned. But we got a hot little update for you guys right now. So let's get started for the 2021. There's only 3 days left. It's Thursday. So we got Friday, Saturday, then the big day. And we've all been itching. Look at, can't even sit still. But look, so to start it off, first cake we got is this.
What's up, guys? Okay, so we got 11 people. Wow, that's pretty good.
500 gram Patriot 1. Yes, sir. 16 shots.
Okay, so this is my first live stream on YouTube.
1-inch tubes. 1.5-inch tubes. There's the performance.
Anyway, like I said,
Shoots flaming balls. No, the performance is right up here. Sorry. Let's get you good. Yes, sir. Got one of those. There's my warning signs. This is a big cake. Definitely. Alright. So we got one of those.
So right now we're only located in Houston, Texas. So believe us, we would love to open in Canada.
Next up, we got this right here. Chopper. 12 shots. Giant cake, 2-inch tubes up there. There's your performance.
Now we're around 4 containers left because we
and the warning all in one.
I'm pretty sure by the last day we are
world class.
Completely be sold
It's
out.
called Chopper. Pyro Ronnie steals the show. Just right here to tell everybody. Gotta let you know.
No. So,
that's lame, man. I'm just,
I mean, I do the thing in the future.
we got one of these. And it's huge. This cake is pretty big. Big old cake. So got one of them right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did a chopper. Look it up. 500 grams.
Just go look at other countries. Like, for instance, in Europe, they have more powder limits, so there's a lot of countries.
All right. Next up, these right here. Yes, sir. We did. We secured ourselves a pack of the radioactive rockets. Yes, sir. There's your performance.
So the 6-inch Patriot. So right now is $119.99, and
all right.
guys, like, that's why I say follow
yes,
us
sir.
because
we got them. Canister shell rockets.
Now we're back to regular prices.
It's a canister shell on a rocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Label for effects. Yes, sir. By nuclear power. Next up, we got this right here. Yes, sir. And you guys know what this is. There you go. We didn't. You know what this is now? All right. There you go. Yes, sir. Pyro Ronnie steals the show. You know, I am the king. Yes, sir. You know we're doing that firework stash update number 14 right now. This is number 14. Do you know what I'm saying? So, there it is. Just to show you guys a little something. Next up, we got this right here. Yes, sir. And I do like Alien brand. Go Area 51. Your product is excellent. This is Dogfight. 500 gram, 38 shots. Fan cake. And this is like got that moth effect. So for those of you who like the moth effect, here's the moth effect in one cake. And it's pretty big. So just to let you guys know, it's not small. It's a big cake and the weight is really nice. Nice fan cake. Needed a fan cake like this shape. in my collection this size. Here goes the performance right here, so you guys can see what I mean by the moth. Man, Pyro Ronnie, got you, Gotti. Yes, yes. My little sayings suck, so don't pay no attention to me. But this is the dog fight. Yes, sir. Dog fight it all day. Them there right there. It's gonna get you all day. You see that? Who got one of these right there? I want to know. Let me know in the comments if you shot this off. It's good, ain't it? All right. Next up, we got one of these right there. Yes, sir. Don't he look so cute? He's the cutest little thing I ever seen. I'm probably gonna get him if I can find him. But there it is. Yes, sir. Secure your pets, man, in a couple days. Please find a place for them. Don't act like people shouldn't be doing fireworks around your pets. Just secure your pets because you know it's the 4th of July. Please, for the pet's sake, we all got pets. My pets will be safe and secure on the 4th of July. Shit, my pets are used to this shit. They like it. They run to it. Alright, so that's one of those. And you know how we do it. Just act Snoop. Alright. Next up, we got this right there. And if you know, you know. Yes, sir. One of my favorite movies of all time. So you know I had to grab this cake. 19 shots of unbelievable breaks. So, there it is. There it is. Yes, sir. It is. Yes, it is. Please don't feed after midnight. Do not add water.
They're okay. Like they're not bad, but here in Texas there's a lot of
yes, sir.
Unfortunately, but that's the industry, like lucky products, like we're competing with.
Yes, sir. Right, Gizmo?
For some,
Gizmo, caca.
Black Hat, Jakes, like they're pretty
really
good,
good cake, guys. Next up, we got this right here. Yes, yes, we did get and was able to secure one of these. Pyro Ronnie, 10 degrees. Yes, I did secure one of these. There you go. Alice in her crazy land. Yes, sir. Pyro porn. Pure pyro porn.
Next up, we got poison.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Believe it? Yeah, 7 shots.
If you know, you know. Next up, we got this right here. Yes, sir. We did. We got this right here. For the daytime. Yes, sir. You know what that is. For those who know, you know.
We told our manufacturer,
there it
do
is.
not focus too much on color rather than focus on nuance. So if you want
1, 2 colors coming for you. Ain't no color lines on this side right here, baby. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Alright, next up, we got this right here. Yes, sir. Stop, look, and listen. 23 shot by Brothers. And that is definitely a heavy hitter. Classic cake. Came out a while ago. You light it like this. So it's long ways. It is a fan cake. It's really big. So, giving you a big update with some big cakes. You know what? There it is, baby. Stop, look, and listen. All right. My brothers. Yep. Oh, you guys want to see the performance? Let's see. We got a performance here and a QR scan. So you guys like that? Go ahead and scan that. And you want to see that show. Not bad. This cake is really not bad. I mean, there's better cakes out there, of course. I'm not saying this is the dopest cake. But I'm saying for a particular show you're putting together, this is a pretty decent paced cake, fan cake. And 2 calibers are pretty large, you know. So check this cake out. Stop, look, and listen. Next up, we got this right here, the big package. If you guys never seen this cake, you guys are really missing out. Because this cake's pretty good, man. Look at the performance. I'm going to show you. Golden willows and brocades. Yes, this is a willow and brocade cake. All willows and brocades. It is dope. And it's 12 shots. So you get 12 big old shots. These tubes are 2-inch. So that's a pretty big cake. 500 grams. It's called a big package. And the performance is simple. Just golden willows and brocades. So if you guys get a chance, check this cake out by World Class. Nice cake. Yes, sir. There you go. These right here, and they're last but not least. Yes, sir. We did. We secured ourselves a pack of those 5-inchers. And these are nice, happy endings.
Hence the name Neon. But what I'm hearing,
All willows, gold titanium willows in every effect, on top of something else like blue stars or lemon strobes. Yes, sir. Those right there. 12 and 2 tubes. Yes, sir. Pyro Ronnie is the king. You know I'm a good human being. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a happy, safe 4th of July. And I might have one more stash update for you. I might not. Look for that 100 episode special video coming. And you know what? Peace to my one-armed chair. I'm out. Pyro Ronnie. Boy.